Hello everybody, today I will continue the chapter Organic Compound. Today I will discuss about homologous series. What is this? Series of organic compounds where the successive members follow a regular structural pattern. Successive compounds differing by a CH2 group. Now general characteristics of members of homologous series. First, composition. All members have or show same elements and functional group. Each member of the series differ from the preceding one by the addition of CH2 group and by the molecular mass of 14 AMU. See example, methane formula CH4 and ethane formula C2H6. These two, methane and ethane, are the family of homologous series, and the difference between the formula of methane and ethane is that there is an addition of CH2 group in ethane. Now general formula, all members show same general molecular formula, same element and same functional group. For example, the general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2 and alkene is CnH2n. Now chemical property, members of homologous series have similar chemical properties. For example, methane reacts with chlorine to form methyl chloride. See the reaction CH4 plus Cl2, CH3Cl plus HCl. Similarly, ethane reacts to form ethyl chloride. See example, C2H6 plus Cl2, C2H5Cl plus HCl. Now see how it is from. This is the structure of methane and chlorine. Here substitution reaction takes place as methane and ethane both are saturated hydrocarbon. So hydrogen is replaced by chlorine atom. Now molecular weight. Molecular weight increases down a series. Molecular weight of two adjacent members differ by 14. Means CH2, 12 atomic mass of carbon, 12 plus 2 atomic mass of hydrogen, so 14. Physical properties. The physical properties of the members change gradually, that is gradual gradation seen with increase in molecular weight. Example, boiling point, solubility. Now significance of homologous series. It helps in systematic study of organic compounds, predicts the properties and nature of other members of the series if the same is known of the first few members. Now homologous series of hydrocarbon. Aliphatic open chain organic compounds containing carbon and hydrogen only. Molecular formula CXHX, where X and Y are whole numbers. Two main groups of hydrocarbons, saturated hydrocarbons containing carbon atoms joined by single covalent bond, example alkanes CH4, and unsaturated hydrocarbon containing carbon atoms joined by double or triple covalent bonds, example alkenes C2H4 and alkynes C2H2. Now example of homologous series. Organic compounds are represented by molecular formula and structural formula. Molecular formula indicates actual number of each kind of atoms in a molecule of the organic compound, and structural formula indicates arrangement of various atoms in a molecule of the organic compound. It is two types, condensed structural and branch structural. From the name of the organic compound, we can draw the structure, and from structure we can say the name of the organic compound. And nomenclature is the system of Assessment of names of organic compounds. According to nomenclature system, the name of an organic compound consists of three parts: root word, suffix and prefix. Root word depend upon the number of carbon atom present. If there is one carbon atom, so root word meth. If there is two carbon atom, then root word eth. For 3 carbon atom, root word prop. For 4 carbon atom, root word but. 5 carbon atom, paint. For 6 carbon atom, root word hex. For 7 carbon atom, root word hept. For 8 carbon atom, root word oct. For 9 carbon atom, root word non. And for 10 carbon atom, root word des. Now, in case of suffix, it depends on carbon-carbon bond. If carbon-carbon bond is single, then N. If carbon-carbon bond is double, then in. And if carbon-carbon bond is triple, then ein. Here, see the example, methane. General formula CnH2n plus 2. So, when N equals to 1, C1H2 into 1 plus 2 means formula CH4, and the structure of methane is like that. As here single carbon bond and hydrogen bond is single, so N. So from methane we can draw the structure, and from structure we can say the name of the structure is methane. Then ethane. When N equals to 2, C2H2 into 2 plus 2. So C2H6. And the structure of the ethane is like this. This is structural formula and this is condensed formula. C, carbon-carbon bond single, CH3, CH3. Next, when N equals to 3, C3H8. So, this the name of this is propane, and the structural formula is like this. This is structural formula, means branch structural, and this is condensed structural. Then butane, when N equals to 4, C4H2 into 4 plus 2, H10, and this is branch structural and this is condensed structural formula. As carbon-carbon bond is single bond, so N. Next, when N equals to 5. Now CnH2 into 5 plus 2. This means the molecular formula C5H12. So root word is pentane. As carbon-carbon bond is single, so N. Now alkene, general formula CnH2n. First, ethene, when N equals to 2, C2H2 into 2. This means molecular formula C2H4. And the structure of ethene is C double bond and carbon and hydrogen single bond. This is branch structure, this is condensed structure. As it is double bond, so in. Next, when N equals to 3, then C equals to 3, H2 into 3 means molecular formula C3H6, and the formula and the structure of the propene is C double bond C and hydrogen here, and this is condensed structural formula. Then butane, pentene, hexene, heptene, octene, nonene, decene, and so on. Next, alkaline. Alkenes, general formula CnH2n minus 2. When N equals to 2, name of the organic compound is ethyne. Molecular formula C2H2, and the structure of ethyne is C triple bond C, H, and here also H. This is structural formula, branch structural. Next, when n equals to 3, C3H 2 into 3 minus 2. So molecular formula C3H4. And name of this compound is propene or methyl acetylene. And this is structural formula C triple bond CH and CH3 means methyl acetylene. And from this organic compound, name of the compound, we can draw the structure, and from structure we can also say the name of the organic compound. This is for today. Thank you.